David Harris here with Protection Dog Sales. Today we're going to work with Cam.
Good guy.
Eric's going to be the bad guy and help us show what Cam's all about. We've already started a lot of control work. Believe it or not, as big as this guy is, he's only 8.5 months old. We know exactly where the development of this dog's going to go. We've got dogs from this breeding from before. So without further ado, let's get into some action with Cam. Watch him, boy.
My friend, spare some change?
No, I have no change for you today. You must leave.
At all, huh?
Yeah,
no
you
change,
must leave.
No hope, no Johnny Cash,
Walk
huh?
away. Just some early development here, showing that this dog can be calm, that he can control his emotions, and that he can do what he's told.
I give up.
Out. Watch him. All right, good boy. Sit. So once again, solid obedience, a lot of control. Only 8.5 months old, very impressive. Bad guy sneaking up on me. Watch him. He's just got powerhouse crushing grips. Oh, just destroying that little sleeve. That's Cam, 8.5 months old. Superstar in the making.